Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video covers my personal experience with Snagajob. Snagajob.com, is a website that connects job seekers with hourly positions. It's a platform specifically designed for individuals looking for part-time, full-time, or gig work in various industries, often focusing on the service sector. Whether you're searching for a role in restaurants, retail, hospitality, or customer service, Snagajob aims to streamline the application process and put you in touch with potential employers quickly. The site features a searchable database of job openings, allowing you to filter by location, keywords, and desired salary. You can create a profile highlighting your skills and experience, making it easier for employers to find you. Snagajob also provides resources such as resume and interview tips to help you prepare for the job hunt. Many job seekers find Snagajob helpful for its straightforward interface and the sheer number of hourly positions listed. While individual experiences may vary, the platform has become a popular resource for those seeking flexible or entry-level employment opportunities. While the site primarily focuses on hourly roles, it can be a valuable tool for those seeking a quick entry into the workforce or those looking for supplementary income. It's worth exploring if you're looking for a job that offers flexible scheduling options or requires no prior experience. Keep in mind that competition for these types of jobs can be high, so crafting a strong profile and tailoring your applications is crucial. Overall, Snagajob can be a useful tool for job seekers looking for hourly positions, providing a convenient platform to browse openings and connect with employers. Remember to thoroughly research any potential employer and ensure the position aligns with your career goals. Be sure to check out the Snagajob website, snagajob.com, to explore the current job listings and see if it's the right resource for you. Good luck with your job search.